How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And quick video just talking about Cyberghost and Netflix. Now, is it the best VPN for Netflix? Well, it's not the best VPN for Netflix, but it's near the best. So Netflix is a pretty difficult streaming service to unblock, and most VPNs do struggle with that. However, Cyberghost, if you take a look at the streaming list here, the dedicated streaming list, you'll find that it is able to unblock many streaming services from many different regions. And, they've got this pretty cool feature, which is you can just, look up Netflix and it will show you all of the dedicated servers just for Netflix. You're able to unblock all of these libraries and possibly even more if you do your own testing. You don't even have to use these servers to unblock these Netflix libraries. You can just use the regular servers, but they make it a little bit easier for you and more convenient by just placing them all in one list. Okay, so is it the best service? Is it the best VPN for unblocking Netflix? No. But just to give it a little demonstration, Sync2, as I'm told here by unogs.com, it's only available in South Korea and the United States, so which explains why I can't find it on Netflix. So if I connect to the Netflix US dedicated server here with Cyberghost, I should be able to find it. And let's just give you guys a quick demonstration. Now, if you're looking for the best, or if you're looking for a VPN that's even better than Cyberghost, that unblocks more libraries and is just generally a better VPN in terms of privacy policy, speed, streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security features, that's not to say that Cyberghost is not a good VPN, but if you're looking for the overall, let's say, top 3 VPNs, this is where I would have to refer you to Express, Nord, and Surfshark. Either way, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below for all VPNs, including Cyberghost. They all do have 30-day money-back guarantees, no matter which plan you go for, with the exception of Cyberghost offering you a 45-day money-back guarantee. You also find links to pricing and discounts in the description, not just reviews. And as you can tell, Cyberghost is able to unblock the American library because Sync2 showed up just fine. So besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.